Hey everybody, it's John, and today we're going to talk about how you can make $20 every day online. A real simple method that I'm going to show you today that you can start very quickly and start earning. So stay with me because what you're going to learn, you're going to learn how to get paid for what's called user interface testing. And that's where different companies, they want your feedback on their apps, their websites. And so basically you go and test it. You try it out, you work with it, and then you give them feedback. So the great thing is you don't really need any skills to do this. You just need to be able to go and try something and give it a go and see how it works. The other thing that's awesome about this is it really can take as little as 15 to 30 minutes per day. And some of these sites, they might pay $10 or $20, but some of them pay up to $100 for about an hour's worth of work. So you can actually make some pretty decent money giving feedback on different apps and websites, user interface, and how it works. So make sure you stay to the end of the video because we're going to talk about 3 of the sites today where you can do this type of thing. But if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you how you can get access to 12 of the top sites for doing this user interface testing and providing feedback. Plus, we're just going over one method today about how you can make money online very easily, no skills. All you need is a computer or phone with internet connection. So you're going to learn how you can get started and also how you can scale that up. We're talking about $20 a day, but again, some of these pay some pretty good money, and you can really get up to $100 a day fairly easily. So stay with me to the end. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you tick the little bell so you get notifications when I put new videos out. I appreciate that. And also, if you would, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, thumbs down if you don't. That's okay, I understand. So let's go ahead and get started. And what I'm going to do is let's move over to the report. This report covers 5 actually different ways that you can make a lot of times what's called seed money or money to get you started. And that can help fund other parts of your online business. So many times when you start an online business, you may need things like domain names, hosting, email autoresponders, things like that. And so this is a way to make some of that money to help fund those as you're growing that other part of your business. But you can do this simple method and make $20 to $100 a day just doing this. So let's talk about it. This first method we're talking about is, again, a fairly new phenomenon that's passed up in the past several years called user interface testing. And again, basically, they just want you to test their sites and see how they work. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go over a few of the top ones here. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at a few of these. And again, in this report I'm talking about, there's actually 12 different sites where you can do this user interface testing. But let's go ahead and look at one of them. This is called Validately. It is, again, giving user interface feedback. You can go in, log in for a free account. They have some pretty big name clients: Google, Amazon, Web.com, Allstate, Microsoft, etc. And basically, you just give feedback. Pretty simple. So you just go in here, you sign up, right here, click on Get Paid to Test is actually where you go. Click here to start making money. Now they do have some information you want to read through. So obviously sign up here. You get an email about taking tests and offering feedback and getting paid money. Now, the way this one works, so some of the frequent asked questions, you do need a computer with a microphone, or you can use a smartphone for the mobile studies. You have to use Google Chrome, so if that's an issue, you can't use this. You need a high-speed internet connection. You got to be at least 18. You have to communicate in English, have a PayPal account, okay? So tests are available every day. Now, obviously, they match those 2 criteria, so you may or may not, match up. Payments based. Now again, this is one where, look right here, many of the studies pay in the $100 range, okay, for a live remote research session, and they're paid through PayPal's within 7 days of you completing the test. So this is Validately. So again, up to $100. just giving your opinion. You don't need any skills. You just need to let people know what you think. Another one here is called 99 Tests. And again, here you can, sign up as a tester. So you click right here. If you do that, it'll open up in a new window. You just go ahead and, create your free account. Again, they have some pretty big clients here, Flipkart, Intuit, etc. And again, they send you things and you get paid for giving your opinion on how, on how the app or it works. So again, some frequently, asked questions as far as you need experience and whatnot. So make sure you read through those. And then the last one we're going to look at today is this IntelliZoom. Again, free. You get paid quickly, easily. Basically about influencing products. You can do it in your spare time. So like they say, just 15 to 20 minutes is all it takes. And you get paid for giving your feedback. So how quickly can you start? As soon as you register. How long are the studies? Most take 10 to 20 minutes. Now, you do have to be at least 18 if you're in the United States, at least 21. How many invitations? There's a lot of them, but it kind of depends, again, on how well you match up with it. How much money can you make? Again, a lot of it depends on the type of study. But ones that ask you to, kind of think out loud while you're doing it, so talking and doing video, kind of like I'm doing. And again, there's lots of free video recording services like this. You can make $10 pretty easy. For more standard surveys, you might make $2. So maybe not as much here, but if you can knock out 2 or 3 of these a day, there's your $20 or $30. Okay. Again, you do need a computer, tablet, reliable, internet connection, quiet place. And so they give you the testing software. So you have to be able to download their testing software to provide the feedback. And then this one, I think, right, you get paid every 21 days. Results are approved usually just within a couple of days, and they pay you in 21 days. So these are just 3 examples of how you can, start making some money pretty quick. I mean, really, you can start making money the same day. And as you can see, it's easy to really make $10 or $20 a day, but not unrealistic to make up to 30, 50. And, the very first one we looked at, they pay you up to $100 even. So that is, there it is, $100. So these are 3 different sites in this method of doing user interface testing. And so, go ahead and jump on these 3. If you'd like to know more, though, I do have a report. Now, it is a paid report. It's $5. It's cheap. But what you're going to learn in that report is I showed you 3 of the sites here, but it's going to give you another 9. So a total of 12 sites where you can do this user interface testing, provide your opinion, get feedback, and get paid to do it. So if you want to know what the other 9 sites are, and these have all been tested, they're all validated, they all work, then you can get that by just paying $5 and the link below in the description to get that. But you're not only going to get that, you're going to get a lot more. Remember at the beginning of the video I said stay to the end? Well, we're about at the end. This is just one way to make money online. And you're going to learn 4 other ways. Okay, so there's 5 total ways that you'll learn to make money online in this report. And again, it's just $5. So you're going to pay $1 for each method, $5, 5 methods, and you're going to get all the links, just like I'm showing you here, on the sites, so you can go ahead and get started fast, start making money, and get going. So if you're interested at all, click the link below. That'll take you there. Also, make sure you check out some of the other free goodies I have for you down below in the description box. Again, if you like the video, thumbs up would be awesome. If you don't like it, thumbs down. I understand. And then I'm going to keep making videos like this showing you how to get started making money online. When I started, I wish I knew some of this stuff, and a lot of this stuff wasn't available when I started 7 years ago. So it's great that you have some of these options to kind of get you started. I mean, think about it. If you're making $20 a day, $600 a month, that's obviously a car payment. That could pay several bills. That could, you could save up a few months and take a really nice vacation. So, think through how you can use this. Now, it takes a little bit of your time every day, but not a lot. And you can really start to go ahead and make some money and get hit the ground running and get ahead. So if you want Again, access to this report is called Speedy Seed Money. We went over method 1. You'll get 4 more methods. You'll get the other 9 sites that do this user interface testing. Then just click the link in the description box below. It's only $5. I think it's well worth it for you guys. Thanks and good luck so much. Have a good day.